Hello and welcome back to the Rugged Rocky Hound. Today's just a short day. We're going to be out here just for a few hours in an area I've never been. So this is the national forest not too far from the Tetons, the Teton Mountains. They're off in that direction. And I'm joined with family. Hey everybody. And they're just running around. What are we hoping to find here? Well, here we've got some more recent volcanics, so around 1 to 2 million years old. And right in this area, according to the maps, we've got a lot of alluvium through here, so rocks that have been moved. So maybe not the best area, but we want to start exploring it. It talks about agate, jasper, and petrified wood being found in the hills and in the washes around here, in the streams and rivers. So we're just going to start here as a first area because this is an easy access. As you can see, easily brought a van in here, even on a day when we had a bunch of rain yesterday, still easy. So we're gonna try and get off up into these areas where there's some exposure. Like I said, this is alluvium, so this might not be the best spot, but we will give it a shot and see if we can find any of these. We'll probably find jasper, maybe agate. If we're lucky, maybe we'll see some petrified wood. In case we do find some good stuff, here's the GPS coordinates to where we are currently parked. Let's explore. So first off, we've mostly seen that there's the quartzite here in the road base. So they've got some pretty quartzite rocks so far. But we want to see if we can get other things. Look, you found the first piece of jasper. So we got some brown jasper. It begins. We originally parked there. The exposure wasn't as good there, so we came back down the road a little to this area where it's nice exposure. And this is alluvium. That's stuff that's been moved. So you've got the volcanic rock itself. That's the main dominant piece of it. And the hope is that every now and then we can find some cobbles or pebbles of agate, jasper, maybe wood. And then of course we're going to keep seeing quartzite.
The quartzite
keeps coming up. But the quartzite's mostly from the road base. But there's probably some in here still that came from, washing down rivers and stuff.
Some nicer stuff.
But yeah, that's all we're seeing so far. So mostly we're seeing is cobbles, like I thought of volcanic. Mostly pebbles of quartzite, occasionally a little bit of chert or flint or brownish jasper. This is a little different though. I'm gonna pull this out if it's not too big and take a closer look at it, because something's going on with that volcanic rock there.
What's this?
What did you find? We've got a nice piece of jasper here with seams running through it. That's a pretty piece of jasper right there.
I found
Very
it
nice.
Way over there.
Way over there, huh?
Yeah.
All right, I still got to get that one out. Well, I pulled it out, and this looks kind of like that piece she found where you've got these little seams in between. So I think I'll take this back. It definitely looks like a piece of volcanic that had some secondary mineralization, which is what we're going for. So I think I might take that back and cut it open just to see, do we have it just there? Is there more of it? What does it look like? So yeah, at least for now, I'm planning on taking that back and cutting it. We've come across the road to below it, and I see something that looks different. Let's take a closer look at this thing. It might still just be quartzite, but it's more of a white. Okay, yeah, that's still just a quartzite, and it's got some stress fractures in it. I'm getting more exposure in this area of interesting things. This looks like some of the volcanic, see those air bubbles, partially altered and got some silica in it, so this might be kind of a jasper. I think it's worth at least taking and cutting to get a closer look. Here's this one cut open. Oh, well, that's kind of cool. It's like a charcoal. That is interesting in its own way. I actually like this. So Sean found this one. It is a piece that looks like it's going to be jasper, got some red in it, so I am going to take that back and cut it, because that does look very interesting. That might be nice. Okay, things are looking a little better now. Here's this piece of jasper cut open. Oh, that's a nice one. All right. Best one we've seen so far. All right, what'd you find here, Annie? It was a Nice little piece. You can see where the air bubbles were in the volcanic, and you can see the replacing, and you can see there, it looks like some jasper.
It's not as little as
So we're gonna
this
cut that
other
one, but that's a keeper.
It's red jasper.
Okay, Hazel found this. This is pretty, isn't it? Not entirely sure. I think we've got a mixture of some things that are coming together in this one. I want to cut this one because I think that'll help me distinguish what it is, because I think it's gonna be neat. So we got something here. Looks very interesting. Yeah, so see, it's like a conglomerate or a breccia. We've got all these different little bits of volcanic rock, a few other mixed things. Mostly volcanic though. Occasionally a little bit of kind of a jasper. It's pretty, but I'm just gonna leave that one because, yeah, I know what it's gonna look like. All right, a few interesting ones there and there. Let's check them both out. Let's check this one out first. Whoop, dropped it.
Trent?
I think that's still going to be mostly a quartzite. Let's go take a look at the other one that was further up here.
Trent? Trent?
Again, quartzite.
Is this trying to be petrified wood?
That's some of the lava rock. You see those lines on it? Yeah. That's part of the flow pattern on the lava rock, the crust of it. So it does, I've seen lots of volcanic rock that look just like petrified wood. They do that sometimes. They can try and fool you. So right here, I think we might have some actual agate on the edge of this one. We do. We finally found some agate. You can see how it's just partially translucent. Well, look at that thing. It's probably just quartzite, but look how big it is, and it's very orange. That's fun. I'll try and pull it out and take a closer look, but it's probably just quartzite.
In here.
Well, pulled it out. That's what it is. Definitely kind of an orange quartzite, so it's a pretty rock. I mean, make a nice landscaping rock. I'm going to leave it, though, because
Let's find somewhere to sit.
I'm looking for other stuff. So every now and then you see little pieces of jasper like that, kind of that orangish. But this has got a nice hue to it, right? This quartzite, it's got kind of this greenish hue to it. That's kind of pretty looking.
This is pretty.
Lots of little pretty rocks, huh? Yeah, that's a pretty quartzite. Here's this tiny one cut open. Could be jasper. Yep, that's jasper. Here's this little piece of brown jasper cut open. Mostly brown. It's got a nice little red line through it though. Here's this one cut open. Should be a dark jasper. Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. All right. So we're back up on the road. For a while I wasn't finding much, but look at the color in this one. It might just be quartzite, but it's got some good color in it.
I got this one.
Well, actually,
I got this
that might be more than quartzite. I think
I think
I should cut that one.
one.
This is something worth cutting. Here's this one cut open. Looks like it should be a decent jasper. All right, yep. That's decent. I've got some things going on in there. We're back at the vehicle. We're getting back in. We were going to maybe go further up the road and try a little bit more somewhere else. But we've got a thunderstorm coming at us right there. So this might be the end right here. If not, there'll still be a little bit more that you'll see before this. But I'm going to film the outro here. So I hope you enjoyed it. Not a lot of finds, but there were a few interesting things, and cut open, they might be nice. We'll see. Anyway, until next time, remember, there is treasure everywhere.